you're watching Times Now. I'm Sagarika Mitra, and on the occasion of Eid, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee tried to allegedly instigate and fearmonger, claiming that the BJP will incite people and plan riots across West Bengal just before elections. Now, while addressing a public gathering, she urged the Muslim community to not get instigated, and she urged them to maintain their cool even if the Bharatiya Janata Party instigates. She also claimed that the BJP will riot, and by rioting, they will get the NIA to enter the state and arrest people and put them behind bars.
और ये लोग किसका नाम पे आपको नाम है दंगा करने चाहता है। कोई दंगा करने अगर आते हैं, आप चुपचाप रहो, माथा ठंडा रहो, बिल्कुल आप रहे कुल, हम रहेगा कुल, उसको दंगा फसाद का चक्रांत हम नहीं करने देंगे। एक चॉकलेट बम भी बंद फटते हैं, NIA को भेज देता है, सबको अरेस्ट कर दो। सबको अरेस्ट करते करते तुम्हारा देश ही सुनना हो जाएगा। यही बात में रहता है। हम तो छोटा आसमान चाहते हैं, सुंदर आसमान, जिसके लिए सब लोगों ने एक साथ में रहेगा। हम एक सुंदर आसमान चाहते हैं, इसी के लिए।
Now, echoing a similar sentiment, Mamata Banerjee's nephew and Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament from Diamond Harbour, Abhishek Banerjee, went a step ahead. He said that those who try to pit Hindus against Muslims, their Visarjan and Janaza should be taken out. Listen in.
जो हिंदू को मुसलमान से लड़ाए और एक भाई को भाई से लड़ाए, आने वाले दिन उसका विसर्जन और जनाजा निकलना चाहिए। जो हिंदू को मुसलमान से लड़ाए और एक भाई को भाई से लड़ाए, आने वाले दिन उसका विसर्जन और जनाजा निकलना चाहिए।
Now, while the Bharatiya Janata Party is claiming that Mamata Banerjee is agitated ahead of Ram Navami, in fact, it is now their demand for the EC to ban Mamata Banerjee from making such political statements. They also said that she should be banned from speaking during elections. Listen into the political reactions that are coming in.
ममता बनर्जी NIA के खिलाफ इस प्रकार के वक्तव्य देकर या कभी इलेक्शन कमीशन और पुलिस स्टेशन के सामने धरना देकर किसका बचाव करना चाह रही है? NIA की कार्रवाई तो आतंकियों पर ब्लास्ट करने वाले लोगों पर हो रही है। इससे टीएमसी को पीड़ा क्यों हो रही है? मतलब कि टीएमसी आज स्वीकार रही है कि टीएमसी का मतलब तृणमूल कांग्रेस नहीं बल्कि टेरर, माफिया एंड करप्शन हो चुका है। मैं ममता दीदी से पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या आज बलात्कारी, भ्रष्टाचारी और बम ब्लास्ट करने वाले लोगों के साथ टीएमसी का हाथ है? ये स्पष्ट नहीं है।
धार्मिक तुष्टीकरण की पराकाष्ठा पर उतर चुकी है ममता बनर्जी। शांति का संदेश देने वाली धरती बंगाल, उस पर ममता बनर्जी खेला होबे की नई संस्कृति थोप रही है। चंद राजनीतिक लाभ और वोट बैंक के कारण आप समाज को उकसा रही हैं। ममता बनर्जी 21वीं सदी के मॉडर्न भारत की नई जिन्ना के रूप में उभरी है, जो देश और बंगाल दोनों के लिए खतरनाक हैं। कैसे जंगल राज मेंटेन किया जा सकता है, उसके लिए पूरी की पूरी टीएमसी दिल्ली से लेकर बंगाल तक और देश में पॉलिटिक्स कर रही है।
আমি সমস্ত মুসলমান ভাইদের কাছে আবেদন জানাতে চাই, মমতা ব্যানার্জির উস্কানিতে আপনারা প্ররোচিত হবেন না। এর আগে মমতা ব্যানার্জি আগে থেকে উস্কে রামনবমীতে দাঙ্গা ঘটিয়েছিল হাওড়াতে, যার সিবিআই ইনকোয়ারি এখন চলছে। সেই কারণে ইলেকশন কমিশনের উচিত মমতা ব্যানার্জির বক্তব্যকে ব্যান করা। হয় ও সহজভাবে রাজনৈতিক বক্তব্য বলুক, নইলে মমতা ব্যানার্জির বলার অধিকারকে ইলেকশনের মধ্যে কেড়ে নেওয়া হোক। তার কারণ একজন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী হয়ে উনি আগে থেকেই দাঙ্গা করে যাচ্ছে, আগে থেকেই।
And joining us this evening, Shatarupa, she's the spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Professor Monojit Mandal, political analyst who usually leans towards the Trinamool Congress. I'd like to start with Professor Mandal. Professor Monojit Mandal, where was Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee speaking today, and who was she addressing when she made those comments where she kept talking about that there could be a riot but no one should be instigated? Who was she addressing?
Mamta hasn't taken in name of any political party. That's very clear because this is a religious event. But everyone in this country and even in the world, there are researchers on this that know that it is the BJP, their brand of politics, who indulges in riot and corruption. That's been there since late 1980s. In fact, BJP as a political dispensation, if you look at the history of BJP's rise, they rose to prominence through rioting, through demolition
Professor Mandal,
of
we'll come to
Masjid.
that. What I asked was, who was Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee addressing today?
No. This is not who was. I'm saying that this Mamta Banerjee did not take name of any political party.
But we are not even talking about the political party. Mr. Mandal,
what is your problem?
Professor Mandal, hear me out. Professor Mandal, just hear me out. It's a very simple question. Professor Mandal, it's a very simple question. You yourself...
complex question, but
Professor Mandal, please hear me out. Please hear me out. You yourself said that this was a religious event. She did not name any person. Agree. Who was she addressing?
Who was she addressing? She was addressing the gathering. So I'm saying that she was addressing the gathering, but everyone in this country and the world knows you are not listening to me. You need to know the history of political party called BJP. This history, that's history for you. There have been researchers on this in India and abroad. That they rose to prominence and power through rioting, demolition of Babri Masjid. I think became the watershed moment for BJP and their rise. And thereafter, since 2014, thereafter UP election, before UP election in 2017, in Bengal after 2019, during 2019, everyone in this country knows that they are creators of riots and hooliganism. Everyone knows this in this country. And the person who was speaking before me, kya naam Tarun Chugar, or what kind of language that was using, that Mamta Banerjee is the modern Jinnah. What does he mean by that?
Let's get the BJP in on that. Let's get the BJP in on that. Shatarupa. Yes, Professor Mandal, you made your point. Let's get the BJP on that and we'll continue this. Professor Monojit Mandal is saying that the history of the Bharatiya Janata Party is such that it instigates and leads to riots. But Mamta Banerjee today, who was at Red Road for the celebrations of Eid, today spoke about riots, and this is something that she's been saying for the last few days, ever since that attack on the NIA. She's been specifically saying that on the 17th, and everyone knows what's on the 17th. On the 17th, there are going to be riots. Shatarupa, how do you take or how do you react to those comments coming in from the Trinamool Congress?
Sagarika, very good evening to you. I have to start by saying that I take very, very serious objections to what Monojit Mandal says, and he always says this. BJP is a party which has risen today where we are. It has taken us some 50 odd years to reach where we are only because we have consistently kept our promise to people. Yes, we have spoken about Hindus. Yes, we have spoken about people of our country. Yes, we have spoken about taking everybody together. We keep on saying Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. And if he wants to, twist facts, then history will hear him out. I really don't want to talk about this further. Yes, today you're very right, Sagarika. She was addressing an Eid function where she was addressing a particular section of the population of India. And this, let me correct you, one very minor correction. She hasn't been doing this for days. She has been doing this for several years. You will remember not only the recent NIA attacks, in 2021, during the Vidhan Sabha elections, she was on a public stage and she was saying all the Muslims must vote for her. Now, if that is not communal, then what is? Yes, NIA has suddenly made her buzzer. She not only NIA, CBI, ED, IT, everybody, all things.
But Shatarupa, the question that's coming in from the Trinamool Congress today is, while you accuse Mamta Banerjee of being communal, when leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party use the Jinnah analogy to address Mamta Banerjee, is that any less communal? That's a question coming your way.
No, that is a historical fact. Jinnah split India, split Bharatvarsh on the lines of communalism. And he specifically wanted a separate state for the Muslims. So today Tarun Chugh has drawn an analogy between Jinnah and Mamata Banerjee. I really don't see anything wrong. What Mamata Banerjee and now her nephew are doing in a very systematic manner is creating a vertical line between Hindus and Muslims. She's constantly going out of her way saying that Hindus will...
Okay, Shatarupa, Professor Manojit Mandal wants to come in with a quick rebuttal. Professor Mandal, over the last few days, specifically Mamata Banerjee is talking about one date. She's saying on the 17th of April, riots will happen, but you do not get instigated. Riots will happen, the BJP will orchestrate these riots. So if the chief minister, if the chief minister has information, shouldn't she be giving it to her police? Why is she constantly saying that riots will take place, riots will take place, riots will take place?
2%, let me speak. 2% are carrying the program doesn't help. First of all, what happened last year? This kind of riots were created by BJP. That investigation went to NIA. What has the NIA done so far? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. This NIA runs on the whims and fancies of BJP. That's been clear. One Dhanram Singh has to be called back to Delhi because he has a meeting with Jitendra Singh only a few days back, and thereafter these raids are happening. Now, first of all, there was a bomb. That was a bomb factory. That was not bomb factory of the kind that you are talking about. There's a blast in this factory. There's a licensed bomb factory. They were making bomb for crackers factory. What are you talking about? And for that investigation and inquiry, one BJP leader was caught red-handed with this NIA SP. What is the credibility these kind of investigation agencies have? How many NIA investigations are happening in the last 4 or 5 years? What are the results? How many CBI investigations have been happening in the last 4 years? After the 3 years after the election, what are the results? I want to know, and I want to humbly put it in the court of the country and especially to Calcutta High Court. Very humbly. Have you reviewed all those CBI investigations? What are the results in 30 investigations only in last 3 years? These are nothing but attempts to malign a government that BJP doesn't like, because Mamata Banerjee is the only woman chief minister in this country who does not succumb to BJP's propaganda and machinery. All kinds of machinery.
All right, Shatarupa wants to come in. Professor Mandal, you have accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of misusing agencies. You have accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of trying to forcibly bring in the NIA into the state. But I really want to understand what is the link between what happened in Bhupati Nagar to the claim being made by Mamata Banerjee that riots will happen on the 17th, 2 days before the first phase of election. Shatarupa, your rebuttal.
Sagarika, I really don't want to respond to Manojit Mandal because he begins from somewhere, ends up elsewhere. I want to stick to this particular comment that Mamata Banerjee keeps on making year after year. She's got a problem with Ram. She's got a problem with Ram Navami celebrations. She's got a problem with slogans of Jai Shri Ram. She gets out of her car and goes and wants to throw things at people. She instigates people, and when people have a harmless slogan of Jai Shri Ram, she has a problem with that. She is constantly saying that the BJP will create riots, BJP will create riots, BJP will create riots. If she knows that BJP is going to create riots, she as a chief minister should very silently, very systematically tell the police that be aware.
Professor Mandal, BJP is directly accusing the Trinamool Congress today of trying to instigate riots. She's saying the BJP today, top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are saying that this is a way to send a message. And also I would like to know what did that comment of Abhishek Banerjee mean, where he said that those who pit Hindus against Muslims, their janaza should be taken out, their visarjan should be done. Who was he talking about?
He's absolutely right, because that is.
But who was he talking about?
What is anyone? Please stop this violent lady. Anyone and everyone who tries to create this kind of riot in this country, that's history. Even in Mahabharata and Ramayana, there was a fight between dharma and adharma, right? And everyone who was on the side of adharma, their janazas and their death knell one.
So, Mr. Mandal, as per the Trinamool Congress, Mr. Mandal, as per the I'm taking cue from what you are saying, Mr. Mandal. As per the Trinamool Congress, who creates riots in the country? As per the Trinamool Congress.
This is not for the Trinamool Congress only. This is for the common.
But you have been making some accusations constantly.
I am saying this. I am saying this on record. This is on record. BJP has benefited from rioting. That's been there ever since. And for God's sake, madam, BJP was not born 60 years ago. BJP was born in 1980. BJP was born in 1980, only 44 years ago. Please get your facts right. You are not in BJP 20 years ago. That's why you do not know the history of the political party that you are representing.
Mr. Mondal, the question has come to you. You yourself are getting tied up in knots. You were asked very clearly first who was the Chief Minister addressing. You refused. You ducked that question. You were also asked that if there is, who was Abhishek Banerjee talking about? Who does the Trinamool Congress mean when it talks about they create riots? Who is the they? You're not answering that question. But I would like to thank both Monojit Mandal, Professor Mondal and Shatarupa for joining us today on this broadcast. A blistering face-off there between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. We have to take a short break here on Times Now. We'll be back with more news and updates.